you've lived in Columbus for a while, you know what has happened in the restaurant and hospitality scene in the last few years. It's just blossomed and mushroomed, and so the demand for this workforce is tremendous, and we have tons of students interested in it. We're really excited about the opportunity to be able to train them in a really first-class, state-of-the-art, industry-level facility. Okay, you got it?
You ready?
One, two, three.
All right.
This is a great opportunity for us to expand a program that has delivered high-quality training in very limited physical circumstances in the past few years. They have had a waiting list for years. They have great workforce demand in the community. So we have opportunity to probably triple or quadruple the number of students that can access the program training and really meet the workforce demand in our area.
We're really looking to, really expand the program, at least double it. In addition, we're going to offer a baking degree, which before we've just had 2 baking classes as part of the associate's degree. We're going to offer a separate baking degree, and we now have a job posted to hire another instructor to primarily teach baking.
We also have a demonstration classroom, so students could be in that classroom in a lecture demonstration type scenario while others are actually in the kitchen cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
It is absolutely beautiful, and I'm so excited. We'll actually be in there next semester, and it's just awesome. It's spacious, everything that we absolutely need.
It's going to make a world of difference for these students. We're excited to start the first of the year. The students got a tour. Some of them are closing up, but some of them are going to be in there next term, and they're extremely excited. And I think that word of mouth is going to get out more that we have a state-of-the-art kitchen.
Yeah.